Hello everyone. Let's learn this one together today. Knitting method of fritillary crown. Let's first take a look at what tools we need to use. The wool that needs to be used is 5-strand milk cotton, 4.0 crochet hook, scissors, pliers, hot melt adhesive, thin wire and flower poles. Let's study together next. We will now start weaving petals. Tie a knot with a piece of red wool. Let's start with chain stitch, 16 chain stitches. After the 16 chain stitches were completed, we found the first stitches and added the wire. Wrap the wire out, reverse the wire, and fix the wire with 2 fingers. We hook a single crochet. The next stitches, we are also a single crochet. Next stitches, we need to hook half double crochet. 3 coils are brought directly out. Coil, same method, hook a half double crochet. Next, we need to hook 6 double crochets. If we count it this way, we'll hook 5 more. After finishing the 6 hooks, we will proceed to hook triple crochet. The next stitches is still triple crochet. The next stitches, we hook a double crochet. The next stitches, hook half double crochet. Fold the last stitches through the stitches and twist the wire. Hook 3 single crochet for the last stitches. After hooking the 3 single crochet, we hook back to the corresponding stitches in front. Insert the needle in the same place as where the half double crochet was hooked in front. Hook a half double crochet. Hook a double crochet for the next stitches. Follow the same hooking method as before. Next are 2 triple crochet. Next are 6 double crochet. After hooking the 6 double crochet, hook the corresponding 2 half double crochet. Two single crochet stitches are left. After finishing the first stitch, pass the needle through the loop. Make a slip stitch and pull the thread directly. Six petals make a flower. We can crochet the corresponding petals according to the flower we want. Leaves are divided into large, medium, and small. The number of stitches in the middle of these 3 types of leaves is different. The method of crocheting the beginning and the top leaves is the same. Let's start by crocheting the large leaf first. Take out the green yarn. Make a knot. Let's start the chain stitch. Start with 25 chain stitches. After making the chain stitches, insert the needle into the first stitch. Take out the prepared thin wire. Thin wire. Crochet the first stitch with a single crochet around the wire. The second stitch is also a single crochet. The third and fourth stitches are half double crochet. Next, crochet 14 double crochets. After crocheting 14 double crochets, next crochet a half double crochet. The next one is also a half double crochet. Next, we crochet a single crochet stitch. For the last stitch, we crochet 3 single crochet stitches. Crochet 3 in the last stitches. Good, corresponding to the previous stitch technique. Corresponding to hooking. Backward, crochet a single crochet stitch for the first stitch. The next stitch is a half double crochet. Let's quickly demonstrate. Good, this section consists of 14 double crochet stitches. After finishing the double crochet stitches, we crochet 2 half double crochet stitches. The remaining 2 are single crochet stitches. Good. Done. Big leaf. Let's take a look at the middle leaf. Start with 20 chains. After making the chain stitch, we start inserting into the first stitches. Add the wire. The method of hooking is similar to the front and big leaves. Let's quickly demonstrate. The first stitch is single crochet. The second stitch is also single crochet. The third and fourth stitches are half double crochet. This is the same as the method of the big leaf. Next, we hook 11 double crochet. After hooking 11 double crochet, hook 2 half double crochet. Hook a single crochet here. The last stitch, 3 single crochet. Hook according to the previous method. The first stitch is single crochet. Next, 2 half double crochet. Next, 11 double crochet. Good. After hooking double crochet, followed by 2 half double crochet, 2 single crochet. To the first stitches. This is the step that will be taken after each leaf is hooked. Step after each leaf is hooked. Good. Next, let's take a look at the small leaf. The small leaf consists of 17 chain stitches. Good. Insert the first stitches. Add fine wire. Insert the second stitches. Next are 8 double crochets. Let's quickly demonstrate. Because the crochet methods are similar. After crocheting the double crochets, this is the half double crochet. Next is also a half double crochet. Second to last, this is a single crochet. For the remaining 4 stitches, 2 half double crochets, 2 single crochets. After cutting, we tie off the yarn. The large leaf requires 3 pieces, the middle leaf requires 3 pieces, and the small leaf requires 3 pieces. Once the shaping is complete, it's done. Next, let's take a look at the flower center. First, take out a piece of fine wire. Then wrap the top of the wire with yellow yarn a few times. Take out some excess, fold the fine wire over, and bend it with pliers. Clamp it. Then cut the fine wire on top of it. Cut a small distance. We break the wire. About 8 centimeters. Cut the fine wire. In the same way. First, cut a small section on top of the fine wire. Clamp it with a clip. Wrap it slightly tighter on top of the winding. Cut a small distance. At this point, we need to use this one we used before. Combine them together like this. Then tie it tightly. This wire end together with the wire. Continue winding. Like this. Cut a small distance again. First, fix the wire end and handle the fine wire and thread. Next, let's take a look at the assembly. First, let's assemble the flowers. One flower consists of 2 flower hearts and 6 petals. First, mix the flowers. The flower heart should be positioned in the middle upper part of the petals. Tighten the crab head, wrap it up, and adjust the height. Secure it with green yarn. Cover the yarn and wrap it around the base as much as possible. Secure the thread. Open the petals. Open one half and then the other half like this. Let's adjust this. Then we use our hands. Put this petal in our hand. Block it, then press the petals backwards. Press out the amplitude of the flower. This will be at the same level. Good, this way. It forms the shape of a flower. We assemble the remaining flowers. Assemble them all in the same way. Next, we start to assemble the leaves. First, take out the small petals. 3 small petals. And together. Then take out 2 flower stems. Place them at the bottom of the leaf. Then we assemble them. Take the green yarn. Secure it. Open. Add brown leaves. Brown leaves are 3. Add it between the 2 leaves. At this time, we add big blades. Good. At this time, we took this remnant seam. Start adding flowers. Add flowers. When adding flowers, leave a little distance away. Wrap it tightly. Wrap it around the rest of the distance first. Wrap it around the end of the thin wire, and add a flower pole. Put a little glue in place when you wrap it around the bottom. After wrapping it, we will adjust its shape. That's enough. Thank you.